am so excited to share this recipe with you today. In the past, I have had extremely dry skin all winter long, and it's been something that has really been a problem for me, even though I've tried all kinds of natural things and washed my face with coconut oil, which has definitely helped. But every winter my skin would get very dry and flaky, and I just couldn't find anything that would work until I found this recipe. And once I found it, I tweaked it a little bit to suit my needs. I'm going to go ahead and share that with you today. It's the recipe for face serum. Now I put this on after I wash my face and before I put my makeup on. So in my bowl I already have 4 teaspoons of jojoba oil. Now it's a very good oil as it is not greasy, and it absorbs quite quickly and well into your skin. So we have 4 teaspoons of that. We have a 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil. I'm just going to let that sit in there and try and get that off of my spoon while we work here. Okay, and then we're going to add 4 drops of frankincense essential oil. Okay, and 2 drops of carrot seed oil, which is just so good for your skin. And then 2 drops of ylang. Okay. And then we just mix it up. Now I'm going to put this into a recycled stevia bottle. I like this one because it has a glass dropper, and I like to use glass for my essential oils. Okay. Try and do this without making a mess. Now you can't let the funnel sit down into the top of the bottle, otherwise it will just fill up. It has to have air flowing around it in order for the liquid to go down into the bottle. Okay, there we go. And that will last me for quite a number of months. I put 3 or 4 drops on at a time. I just put a little 3 or 4 drops in my hands and rub it together and rub it all over my skin, and it is just wonderful. Well, I hope you enjoy, and if you try this, please let me know what you think. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave comments below. I hope you have a wonderful day,